Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to disable IPv6 in Windows 11 quickly and easily if you are having internet connection issue, compatibility problem, or you simply want to turn off IPv6 for testing purposes. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Control Panel. Then open Control Panel. Now go to Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Centers. You will now see your network adapter. If you are using Wi-Fi, right click on Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, right click on Ethernet. So I will using Wi-Fi, so I will right click on Wi-Fi. Then click on Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for Internet Protocol IPv6 TCP IPv6. Here it is. Uncheck it. Then click on OK to save the changes. That's it. Now IPv6 is now disabled on your Windows 11 PC. Now restart your computer. That's it. That's how you can disable IPv6 on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.